Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to get a free Lyft ride. First of all, search the Lyft app and tap to open up the Lyft app. Once you get into Lyft, see the rides on the map. Then click on Menu from the top left corner and tap on Invite Friends. Then tap to see rewards from here. Now get back and click on Get Started. Share your referral code to your friends. Then if they sign in using your code, you will get a discount. The other way of getting discounts is just simply using discount codes. Now to get discount codes, you just need to follow them on their social media platforms. Whenever they actually give you a promo code, you can use the promo code to get a student % off on each of your rides. And if you have a gift card code, then you don't really need to pay for that. Just simply tap on the menu from the top left corner and click on Gift Cards. You can redeem your gift card from here. Enter your gift card number and click to redeem. Then the cost of the ride will be added to the Lyft app. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.